Hello everyone, this is Calvin Russell, CEO and founder of 850 Club Credit Consultation. Hope everyone's doing well today. Today we're going to talk about how you can get all three of your credit reports, for of course that's from each bureau, for $1. I know there's a lot of sites that promise it, and then after a while you got to sign up for this and you got to sign up for that. Now of course this is set up the exact same way. You pay $1 and it's a 7-day trial, and if you like it and all the other features that come with getting your reports, then you can most definitely keep it. And it's actually the cheapest, the lowest cost way to get all three of your credit reports. Even if you continue with the service, it's only, I believe, I forgot already, it's like $21.99 to keep all three. That's the lowest cost way to actually do that. And not only that, that's just one company. Now of course I hate giving companies free promotion, but I'm in the industry and I really want you guys to know this stuff, so I'll put the links down at the bottom. So technically it's the same thing without saying it, but I don't like to say it because sometimes the YouTube algorithm can pick up on that, and then before you know it, people will type it up and I'm giving people all this free information. But who knows, if I feel good about it, I'll probably put in the title anyway. Okay, but either way, so you'll have access to your TransUnion, your Equifax, and your Experian credit reports. It's not going to give you a FICO score. It will be a Vantage score, and you're probably like, well, Calvin, why am I paying for a Vantage score? Well, the problem is there's no way to get all three credit reports and scores without having to pay something. So the good news is at least you can say, man, I just want to see where I'm at, or I just want to kind of get like an idea if I can see all three, right? Without having to get this, have a login for this dashboard and a login for this dashboard, and I got my Credit Karma here and I got my whatever. It's just so many different things. You can have it where it's one dashboard, one login for $1. Again, one dashboard, one login for $1. And then once you do that, I don't know how many times you can do that because I know you guys like the finesse. So it's not like Netflix where it's like, hey, get a free month, or like Google over YouTube TV and you just keep using like different emails. Of course, this is your social. So I mean, hell, you only got one social, right? So but either way, I'll put the link down below so you guys can see that there. And I actually got something else I'm working on. It's gonna be pretty cool. I may drop it this week right before Thanksgiving. It's gonna be pretty cool for you guys. I'll do a video on it a little bit later. It's actually a faster way to improve your score. I did like what everyone says that, nah, this is pretty cool though. So either way, stay tuned for that. If you like this video, like it. If you want to share it. And as always, be sure to subscribe, as we have nothing but great content on the way. Okay, so I'll put all the links down below. Have a good one.